Hi guys, welcome back to our channel E-Commerce Know-How. Before we begin, have you subscribed to our channel? If not, then hurry up, hit that subscribe button now. Also, while you're at it, hit the notification bell blue. Charlie Munger usually has some unusual words to say, right? Every interview of his is like a ticking bomb. Don't know what he said this time? Watch it till the end to find out. Now, who is this Munger guy? Why are his words so important? Well, Charlie Munger is the right hand of the 8th wealthiest man in the world, Warren Buffett. He is a billionaire investor. He is the chairman of Daily Journal, vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, and a director at Costco Wholesale Corporation. Now, the interview we're talking about is the one with Yahoo Finance. The interview lasted for about 2 hours, and naturally, Munger had a lot to say. Munger could not stop praising Apple. Berkshire has the most stock holdings in Apple to date. Munger even said that in the coming years, the stock holdings of Berkshire in Apple would only increase. Now, why so much faith in Apple? He went on to say that the company was being very efficiently managed. In addition, despite being more overpriced than the other smartphone brands, Apple had amazing customer loyalty. This could be achieved only if they were managing everything optimally. He boldly claimed that he knows zillions of friends who wouldn't part ways from their Apple smart devices. Instead, they would rather give an arm away instead of it. The statement could be biased, as we have already been told that Berkshire has most of its shareholdings in Apple Inc., so people being influenced by him and buying the stocks or products will benefit him a lot. Apple is not that great. It does not have Bluetooth for one, and it breaks too easily. Also, Berkshire sees profits in holding stocks of the huge technological giants. Munger hinted that we could see in the next 50 years that Berkshire's holdings in not just Apple but Alphabet, Google's parent, and Microsoft will also substantially increase. This was not just the only baffling he made. Munger claimed that cryptocurrency was a brilliant investing opportunity for kidnappers, blackmailers, and tax evaders. He stressed how important it was for the government to ban cryptocurrency trading. He claimed he understood crypto. He said this is why he thinks it is like a disease. He just does not want to get involved with it. What do you guys think about it? Were his views justified? Do you trade in crypto? If yes, then what do you think about it? He went on to say how serious the inflation issue is. He criticized the government on how they overdid stuff. They had just slapped money over the issues. He acknowledged that some of them were necessary, but they had slightly overdid it. Now, what was your lockdown experience? Tell us about how the government overdid it. The inflation prices are a real issue, and what would we do about reduced prices if we don't have enough to pay for them? What is the right method to deal with the problem? Now on to the next issue. He was on fire that day. Those who follow Munger or Daily Journal's activities know that he has a soft spot for China. He was the lead in charge of Berkshire's investment in BYD Co., the electric car makers. Also, he doubled Daily Journal stock investments in Alibaba, the e-commerce company. Now again, this could be taken both ways. His justification of the recent activities, or an attempt to influence the public for the activities. Do you think we are just making this stuff up? Watch the video till the end for the dirt. We don't want to say he wants us to spend millions on these companies, but he does expect us to get involved in it. He went on to call the strain completely stupid and said instead of fighting each other, they should respect and celebrate the differences between their government styles. He isn't wrong though. With this strife, the US is losing market and increasing its cost. Now, why would we make such a bold assumption of him having his interest involved in the comments? He had also mentioned how people are just gambling in the stock market. He said that long-term investors are looking for good businesses and would thrive in the long run. Now, who is a long-term investor? Munger, and what are the companies? Alibaba and BYD. One thing cannot be refuted, that they are one of the kings in finance and the stock exchange. Therefore, his questions are legit and need to be thought about. The solution to inflation prices desperately needed to be found out. The inflation rate has become the highest in 40 years. Not just that, we need to find a neutral path for the US-China tension since it is just eating up business. Lastly, there must be a way to incorporate crypto in NI accounting for both legitimate workings of crypto investments and prevent tax evasion, because an evaded tax would only bite the general public. This was all for today, guys. Do let us know your views in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share it. Lastly, please do subscribe to our channel. Until next time.